If you've seen any of my other videos on how to use text templates in CapCut, then you'll know that you can use a text template as a video title, on a thumbnail, and yes, even as an animated subscribe logo that can be used to remind your viewers to subscribe to your videos so that they don't miss out on future uploads. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to add an animated subscribe button to a video project inside CapCut using nothing more than built-in text templates. You will not need to use any third-party apps, graphics, or a green screen in this example, because a text template that exists inside CapCut will be used. This is the example that we're going to be using. Begin by opening a CapCut project and include your video footage. Then play the video. Notice that the video is not formatted properly. I'm uploading this video to YouTube, so tap on Ratio and choose 16:9. Then tap on Canvas, choose Blur, and select the level of blur. Don't forget to tap on Apply to all clips before you tap on the check mark once you're done. This will ensure that the same level of blur is applied to all of your clips. Once this is done, you can place the animated subscribe button. Go back to the main timeline and tap the T for text. When you do, you'll see an option labeled Text Template. Tap on it. These are text templates that are available for your use. Any template that says Pro in the upper left-hand corner requires a paid subscription. I don't have one, so I'll be using a template that is free. To select a template, just tap on it, and it will appear in the center of the screen. If you select more than one template, the template will change when you select a new one. I'm going to select the animated subscribe button that looks similar to the one on YouTube. It even has a notification bell that sort of animates when it's tapped. Notice that the template is already animated, so all you have to do is long press and drag it into position, and then pinch to make it smaller. Then scrub back a little bit and play the video from just before the graphic starts. When you do, you'll see the graphic appear on screen like this, and then disappear. Remember that the only thing you can change with text templates is what the text says, the position and size of the text template. You can't really change anything else. Watch this video recommended by YouTube. This playlist contains more tutorials just like this one. Don't forget to tap on the notification bell once you've subscribed so you're notified when I upload a new video. Join me next time.